Last time I told you 41 days of writing same desire every single day, but nothing happened. And then one time I wrote it once and it worked. Here is what was actually different. Hoping is the desire without the actions behind it. You want a bigger life, a larger than life kind of a life. But underneath, you're not really moving towards it. You're just wanting it, wishing for it. Yes, loudly, on repeat. This was also me for 41 days. That's why I know how it feels. But the one time it worked, you know what? I was literally detached from the outcome. And you can only get detached from the results once you give your brain enough evidences that you already have it, that you are capable of it. So at that time, I wasn't obsessing over whether it would happen. I was very certain that it will happen. You know why? Because I've started enjoying the process of becoming the person it would really happen for. That's the actual difference that nobody talks about. I wasn't writing from the fear that day. I wrote it from faith. See, fear sounds like, please let this happen. What if it doesn't? Faith sounds like it's actually true. I'm just watching it show up. So the real question shouldn't be about how do I manifest something. It should be about how do I build that level of trust in myself, the kind big enough to actually believe before I can see it. And no, that's not a one video answer. That's a whole different series. I will start that series soon. Because self-trust is not something you decide once. It is something you build with the evidence over the time. But for now, here is where you start. Ask yourself honestly, am I taking the action this desire requires? Or am I only wanting it? Am I just obsessing over the result? Or actually enjoying the becoming of the person who gets it? And if the honest answer is fear, relax, don't worry. That's not failure. That is the exact place where everybody starts from. And that is just where the real work starts. So episode 3 is going to be about what happens after the belief. Because belief alone is not enough. Life still throws obstacles at you. And what you do in that moment decides everything for you. If you don't want to miss on the other videos, please follow along. Thank you. Bye-bye.